The Files app on your iPad can be very helpful for organizing files and for turning things into Canvas, especially if you are using Canvas through Safari. As always, please make sure you have updated your iPad as well as your apps to ensure that everything will work as it should. Find the Files app on the dock of your iPad. If you tap on the Browse folder, you can see files that are in different locations, like your Google Drive and iCloud Drive. The folder for On My iPad will save files directly to your iPad. You can add folders to organize by tapping and holding to get options. You can name a folder when you create it, or tap and hold on an existing folder to rename it. You can send notes from Notability to folders in Files. In your Notability document, tap on Send To, and then choose Other Apps. Share your note as a PDF, and then tap Save to Files. Choose the folder where you'd like it saved. You can move things around in your files. Tap and hold on any file and move a copy of it to Google Drive or iCloud Drive as a means of backup.